This will be a quick video on high wind landing. If you suspect that the winds have picked up a lot, or you think there's a chance of landing in high winds, after the canopy is inflated and you've done the controllability check, you'll want to disconnect your reserve static line. You can disconnect the RSL by pulling the red or yellow cloth tab connected to it. With the reserve static line disconnected, this means that if you cut away the main parachute, it will not automatically deploy your reserve parachute. The reason this is needed for high winds is because if you're on the ground and the wind is pulling you across the ground toward a fence or a building, now you can cut away the main parachute, let it fly away, and you not get dragged behind it. You also want to be more mindful of turbulence and obstacles that can generate turbulence. Make sure and land, if possible, a far distance away from those areas or off of the wind line. If winds have picked up a lot, you may find yourself going backwards. In this case, you may need to look over your left shoulder or right shoulder and try and crab the canopy one way or the other to avoid obstacles that are behind you. In this situation, be ready to PLF when you land. After you land, you'll need to take one toggle and pull it in hand over hand, pulling on the brake line until it collapses the main parachute. If you can't pull it in fast enough, or the main parachute starts dragging you across the ground, you may need to cut away the main parachute and let it fly away.